Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Discord experience a little more private and free from unwanted message requests, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to prevent message requests for a specific server on Discord, updated for the latest version. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app. This works on both mobile and desktop, so whichever you're using, you'll be able to follow along. Once you're in, take a look at your server list on the left side of your screen. Find the server where you want to stop receiving message requests and tap on it. Now that you're inside the server, look to the top of your screen. You'll see the server's name right there. Give it a tap. This will open up the server settings menu, where you can adjust a variety of options specific to this server. Next, scroll down through the menu until you find an option labeled Allow Message Requests. This setting controls whether people in the server who aren't on your friends list can send you message requests. If you want to prevent those requests, simply toggle this option off. Once you do, you'll no longer receive message requests from members of that server who aren't already your friends. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've taken control of your privacy and made your Discord experience a little more peaceful. Remember, you can repeat these steps for any server where you want to limit message requests. It's a great way to keep your DMS clean and focus on the conversations that matter most to you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.